All right, in the previous episode, I said that we were going to just take this line right here and copy it. And this says sheets from report control range C5, and we're going to change its value to week. So that's what this command will do. Let's go into the Excel, and we're going to create a new procedure. And the name of this procedure is going to be time change. So we go insert procedure to click in the code window. Otherwise, insert procedure isn't going to happen. Insert procedure, and this is time underscore change. Okay. And the first line that we're going to have here is that we're going to change the value in C5 in report control from year to week. And then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to change all of the other parameters to from year to week. So you see it here, we have names, stock dates, value, and the stock dates is now going to be equal to week dates. And we're going to do the same for all the other stock whatever values. So I take this code and copy it right into Excel. Like that. Now, in order to run this code, we could press F5, or we can go to run sub-user form, run sub-user form like this. And as long as nothing happens, we can be happy because that means that it probably worked well. Let's go over to the Excel and check it out. So if we go over here to report control and we look and we see that in C5, instead of saying year, it's saying week. Now, we can go to the line chart and we see that it's, yay, this is a big deal, class. It's showing us a line chart instead of a simply a year chart. And the same thing will happen here for the stock chart. It's only 1 week's worth of data. So this is great. All right, so our last thing is to
My fault?
no.
Why you pushing that at me?
Class, I'm trying to continue with this. We're really literally trying to get into the car. So what we're going to do is the next thing is to sorry, class. My whole family is waiting for me to finish this video. All right, so all right, class. So now what we're going to do is we're going to set up things so that we can use the menu buttons in report control to change the different time values. And in order to do that, we have to use something called a variable. And the variable that we're going to set up is called time change. So what we have to do now is to create this variable. And so we first start out by dimensioning it. And when we say that we're going to dimension it, it means that we are allocating space for it in memory. So these are the various values that a variable can have. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we're going to create this new variable and it's called time window. So we're going to take it by dimensioning it, say dim time window, and then underneath that we have time window is equal to the sheet's report control and the range C5 value. So we're going to put whatever is in time window into C5. And that word type at the beginning is going to be an error, but I'll take that out before we use it. So Control C to copy this from the PowerPoint into the Excel. All right, and so we go up here to the time change sub-procedure and put these two lines in right here. Dim time window, and then underneath that, we're going to have time window is equal to whatever value is in C5. Remember, we could use that spinny window in order to transform whatever we're looking for in C5. Now we're going to delete this line that puts the value of week into C5. And then we have to use the replace command to replace the week dates with the time window variable. So let's go to edit and select replace, edit, replace. And in replace what, we're going to put this code. This one right here equals week. And then we will put that up there, equals week, with double quotes in front of it. And then for the other one, replace it with what? It's this thing right here. So I'm just copying this into the code. All right, and then we say replace all to this. And this is very complicated, but not too bad, class. We'll say cancel to the replace command. And now we can go over to the Excel and to the report control tab. And on the report control tab, we can right click the apply time window and assign a macro to that. And we're going to assign time change to that one. Okay. Now, I don't remember whether or not we assigned macros to the other buttons on this menu. So let's right click statistics, assign macro, and we're going to assign the statistics macro to this button. All right, then we click away from it, click on statistics, and then there's this one right here, return to report control. And I guess I neglected for us to put the assign the macros to these buttons. So let's just do that now. So right click that report control, click away, right click it, assign macro, and assign report control to that one and say okay. Click away from it, click it, takes us back. Okay, right click line chart, assign macro.
Help! Help! I can't get out.
Mom, can you just wait? I'm almost done.
All right.
Okay, so here we go. Let's see what happens now. I will. Oh, so we assigned the apply time window to the menu button. Let's take a different time frame on the spinny button. Let's take quarter this time. And I click on assign time window. And then let's click on the line chart and see. Oh, yay, class. All right, so there we go. So this is the quarter. And all of the other ones should work as well. Now listen, class, have a very happy Thanksgiving and make sure you go and do something exciting. Take these little Excel videos with you and show them to your family or to anybody else who is totally bored. Actually, you can look at them whenever you want. I'll see you on Monday and look forward to that. Thank you. Bye.